Looking for the best drones to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. DJI Air 3s. Ensures every aerial moment cut is immortalized in exquisite detail. New highlights like nightscape obstacle sensing and next-gen smart RTH enhances safety during nighttime photography, giving you peace of mind while exploring. The drone boasts an impressive 45-minute flight time and a 20 km video transmission range, allowing you to capture long uninterrupted flights. Its Vision Assist feature offers a comprehensive downward view along with front, back, left, and right perspectives to help you navigate your surroundings with ease. Equipped with advanced features like Active Track 360 degrees waypoint flight and cruise control, the Air 3s optimizes your creative possibilities. The new subject focusing feature ensures your subject stays in sharp focus, allowing you to concentrate on composition and camera movement. With 42 GB of built-in storage, you can easily send files to your smartphone or computer even when the drone is powered off. The battery charging hub supports PD fast charging and power accumulation for maximum efficiency. Priced at $199, the DJI Air 3s is a must-have for any serious aerial photographer. Thanks for watching our Top 5 Best Drones 2025. We hope you found the perfect aerial companion for your adventures. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Don't forget to check the description for links and additional details on each drone featured. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite drone? Stay tuned for our next video and happy flying. Number 2. DJI Avatar 2. The DJI Avatar 2 offers an exhilarating FPV flight experience, bringing your aerial adventures to life like never before. With DJI Goggles 3 featuring HD micro OLED displays and low video latency, you can immerse yourself in the action while enjoying real-view picture-in-picture for enhanced situational awareness without removing the goggles. Capture stunning visuals with crisp 4K 60 frames per second HDR video and a remarkable 155 degrees ultra-wide-angle field of view, perfect for low-altitude high speed flying. The upgraded 1/1.3 image sensor expands the dynamic range, delivering exceptional performance even in low-light conditions. The intuitive RC Motion 3 remote control allows you to perform breathtaking flying acrobatics with a single push, including front and back flips, sideways rolls, and 180 degrees drifts. Built-in propeller guards provide additional protection, making the Avatar 2 lighter and more agile for showcasing your flying skills. When you need to reposition, turtle mode allows the drone to flip itself back into the takeoff position, getting you airborne quickly. Equipped with binocular fisheye visual positioning sensors, the Avatar 2 enhances stability and safety for low altitude and indoor flights. Add Sky VFX with the Light Cut app and utilize one-tap edit to create engaging aerial footage effortlessly. With a maximum flight time of 23 minutes and PD fast charging capabilities, the Avatar 2 lets you return to the skies quickly. Its robust DJI 4 video transmission provides up to 13 km of video transmission distance, ensuring you can fully immerse yourself in each flight. Priced at $489, the Avatar 2 is perfect for drone enthusiasts eager to explore the skies with style and confidence. DJI A3s. The DJI A3s is a revolutionary dual-camera drone designed specifically for travel photography enthusiasts. Featuring a robust 1-inch CMOS primary camera alongside a 70mm medium telephoto camera, this drone captures stunning landscapes and portraits with up to 14 stops of dynamic range. Each camera supports the innovative free panorama feature, enabling you to select flexible shooting ranges and create breathtaking panoramic shots by seamlessly stitching multiple images together. With 4K 60 frames per second HDR video capabilities and a remarkable 50 maps resolution, the Number 3. Holy Stone HS900. The Holy Stone HS900 is a lightweight GPS drone that packs advanced features into its compact design. Weighing just 249 g, it's incredibly portable and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. The HS900 is equipped with a 4K camera that records at 30 frames per second and features a Sony COMS sensor, ensuring stunning video quality and vibrant 48 megapixels photos. With its 3-axis gimbal and EIS anti-shake technology, your footage remains smooth and stable even during windy conditions. This drone is designed for ease of use and creative flexibility. Its visual tracking and follow me mode allow you to stay in focus while capturing dynamic shots. The Smart Return feature ensures the HS900 comes back safely with just a tap. Thanks to its 6 km Wi-Fi repeater transmission, you can enjoy real-time video and control from a considerable distance. With level 5 wind resistance, it performs reliably in challenging conditions. The Holy Stone HS900 also incorporates advanced OTA technology for seamless firmware updates and a one-key ascension feature that delivers breathtaking bird's-eye views. The catapult function adds even more excitement to your flying experience. To capture perfect shots, ensure the drone is at least 7 feet away from your target and adjust the camera angle for precision. Priced at $339.99, the Holy Stone HS900 is an exceptional choice for those seeking a powerful feature-packed drone at an affordable price. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a groundbreaking advancement in drone technology, weighing a mere 135 g, making it DJI's lightest and most compact aerial videographer to date. Its design allows for effortless takeoff and landing right in your palm, enabling you to capture breathtaking cinematic footage while keeping yourself in focus. Whether you are soaring over picturesque landscapes or shooting fun group photos, the DJI Neo provides a fresh perspective on life indoors and out. Equipped with a half an image sensor, the drone captures stunning 12-megapixel tills and 4K Ultra HD street-stabilized videos straight out of the camera. Thanks to DJI's powerful stabilization algorithms, you can expect smooth, high-quality footage every time. With a simple flick of your finger, the DJI Neo can automatically film for you, offering various intelligent shooting modes to enhance your creative endeavors. Safety and control are paramount, and the DJI Neo features full coverage propeller guards ensuring worry-free flying with voice control and mobile app connectivity. The drone is incredibly user-friendly. When linked with the DJI Fly app, it allows for audio recording via the DJI Mic 2, which connects through Bluetooth or directly with your phone's microphone. The app even eliminates propeller noise, providing clear audio for your low-altitude vlogs. Editing your footage is made easy with quick shots, while high-speed quick transfer ensures swift media transfer, with an impressive 18-minute flight time. And a price of just $199, the DJI Neo is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography experience.